Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. It is my first video of 2021 and I'm doing a TikTok tutorial on a re-emerged trend of putting yourself in a Google search page. Now before we get into it, please consider subscribing to the channel as I do more TikTok stuff. I do TikTok experiments and TikTok tutorials. This is also my favourite comment from last video. Thank you for all the love in 2020. Big up 2021. So the trend I'll be covering uses the song Thotiana by Blueface. Blueface baby, yeah, I'm every woman's fantasy. Blueface baby, my boys told me I'm gonna break hearts against her for stupid. Don't be mad at me. And as I said earlier, you place yourself in a Google search page and blend in. Now you've definitely clicked on this video because in the comment section of all the videos you've been watching, you're saying that you're using the green screen. But when you actually click the green screen effect and use the sound, you're just looking at it and going, this is just so messy and just not the same as you're seeing on your For You page. Well, as shown here, you can see that I also struggle with it and I also use the same method. So I did some research myself and found out it actually wasn't the green screen effect and people actually use editing towards this. Now this editing that you'll be using is all on your phone, so please not be worried about that. I'll be showing you a step-by-step tutorial on how to do this trend so it looks like a professional TikToker's, basically me. So what you will need for this trend, you'll need a place of even lighting and a place to place your phone so your phone looks sturdy for when you're doing a freeze frame. And you will also need a video editing app. I like to use the app Video Leap. I find it very simple and user-friendly. So getting straight into the recording, you'll need to find a place where you're going to place your phone so it's sturdy and not jerking and moving while you're using the camera. I am lucky enough to own a stand, but you can just use your wall or a cabinet. Also claim your even lighting, so that can be a ring light or it can just be the natural sunlight, and record the clip of you doing a freeze frame and then singing along to Thotiana or whatever song you use. This will be the clip we are editing. Try and be as still as you can before doing the singing, and once you've done that, save your video into the drafts, then go on to the select cover and screen record that video so there'll be no watermarks when you're using it whilst editing. As well, you'll need to go and select cover again and screenshot the portion of which before you move. So just before you move and you're completely still, screenshot that picture. I'll do a few different screenshots if you want, but make sure it is that exact screenshot. The closer the screenshot is to before you start moving, the smoother the TikTok will be. Now your recording is done, you need to start editing. Now jump over to Video Leap and import your clip to the project. Please don't look at my camera roll. And now you've got your clip in the project, you want to click Mixer and then add your screenshot to the clip. This photo will overlay your video, so now you want to adjust it to the correct size, angle and position of the original clip so it looks very smooth. So you're going to have a clip here and a clip here, but make sure you adjust it by using pinching and zooming in, zooming out to the exact same position of the next clip. And the more exact you get it, better the TikTok will look. You then want to trim the clip to which you've originally screenshotted. So move the clip to the point at which you screenshotted. So it's like a complete freeze frame and then you'll start moving, okay? So please make sure you get that clip exactly right. As I say, the longer you spend on this, better it will be. Once you've played it through a few times and realize that the freeze frame to the actual clip actually looks really good and you're happy with that, export your clip and we'll go into the next section. With the hard part done, you now want to go into Safari and type in the Google search bar your desired genre or category. As you can see here, I chose Asian boys. My video is just a joke. I'm not being serious. Many of you probably will be serious, but I'm just having a laugh here. Screenshot the Google search bar and then add this photo to a new project on Video Leap. Then go to Mixer again and then add your newly edited clip of the freeze frame to the actual clip. And extend the photo to the same time as the clip above it so they match up quite well. Now you have to simply pinch and move your clip to the exact point and position you want it on the Google search bar. You can play around a lot with it here, so pick the picture you want to go. I went for the bottom right picture because I think that stands out the least, even though my picture does stand out. Whilst you're changing the position, you can also see that you can change the brightness, contrast, and just add filters to the clip. You can do this if you want to make yourself look more pretty or to just match the surrounding photos around it. I just lowered my brightness a little bit because I thought it was a little bit too bright. Once you've aligned your clip, now press the mask tool at the bottom of the screen to then crop your video into place. Now there's a few different options you can use here. In the mask options, I use the mirror tool. This trims the bottom and the top of the clip. It does not trim the sides, unfortunately, but it's the best version to get a box as your clip. You can also use the box function as well. That will curve the edges and make more of a box. The mirror tool is the best for me, or you can also be cheeky, and if you want to do a circle and you can place these circles like the top of the search bar or on the profile picture, the radio option is your best option. It will create a circular mask around your clip. And now you are completely finished. Please preview it, have a look, see if you want to move the clip any different or change the clip at all. You are completely finished. Now you just want to export your project and save it to whatever resolution you want. And the most important step before you go, you want to tag and follow me at Barwick. That would be very much appreciated. I really want to see your creations. I'm sure you've smashed it, but I'd love to see them as well. And you can also be cheeky and add the green screen effect to troll more people so they can come watch this video. There we have it, everyone. I really hope you enjoyed this video. As I say, I'd love to see your creations. I also hope you consider liking and subscribing to the channel. We're nearly on 800 subscribers. Thank you all for watching this video. Any more TikTok tutorials or suggestions, please put it down in the comments. comments. I really hope you have a nice day, and I'll see you in my next one.